What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This one's more like an update of what's happening. So I know I haven't been posting. I'm actually heading to work right now, but I know I haven't been posting anything that has to do with cars and stuff like that, just because we've been kind of busy trying to figure it out, the suspension part. And honestly, we got all that kind of situated right now. The only thing that we're missing is the end links. Alright, so we got everything situated pretty much. So we have the suspension, which is now the Godspeed coilovers, which I'm kind of happy because they have the dampening adjustment that I still haven't used. So that's what we've been doing all this past 2 weeks, kind of. Another one, we went to Knowledge, as you saw in the last video. That was on Sunday. Then today is actually Wednesday, so two days ago, yeah, so on Monday I actually returned the old end links because they were too, well, not old, but the new ones that we bought, because they were too short. So adjustable end links don't fit the kind of like the diameter that we're trying to get. So what we did was we ended up ordering some OEM end links, which it's weird. The OEMs are the only ones that fit, but they're 20 bucks, and the ones that are adjustable and don't fit. So the ones that don't actually fit, those are $130. Yeah, it's weird, but anyway, so that's what we're waiting on. Also bought like a few stickers for the car. I don't know, I just want the car to look a little bit more decent whenever I'm, you know, riding in it and shit. Then the other thing, I don't know if you guys can see anything. For me, the whole screen is black right now just because of the sun. I can really see, and I don't have my sunglasses with me. But let's see what else are we gonna do to the car that's coming soon. So I spent a lot of money on, you know, trying to pay my parents back for the suspension, because it just came out of nowhere and I didn't have the funds. So we're gonna start doing like small things. Also, like I told you guys earlier in like the series, that, you know, we're actually gonna go to Japan when, I think it's in October. It's like, I don't know when exactly, but we're gonna go to Japan, and I'm super excited because I really love JDM cars. As you can see, I have a Lancer, but I don't know, I'm kind of like nervous about driving on the opposite side. I'm gonna try it and drive on the right side, which I'm used to shifting with the right, but when it comes to the left, I don't know. And I don't know, let's see what cars we see over there. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're trying to build an army, a movement over here. What else do we got going on for us? Like I said, this is just an update, and I'm just thinking off the top of my head what exactly we need to do. Another thing that I'm trying to do on my own kind of thing is like learn how to tune, learn how to tune cars like on the street, just kind of like fiddle with it. I don't know, I like that side of like all the what would you say, like the behind the scene things that happen in your car, like in the ACU and stuff like that. I like that stuff. So we're gonna try and tune this car to the specs where we're gonna be doing track but also street, I guess. I don't know. Well, I'll try to figure it out, see what works best. Also, many of you know that this car is CVT, meaning that I can go up and down in gear, but it's not manual car, so everything's done electronically, which means that it's gonna be hard to find a turbo kit, because I don't want to change the whole. I'm lazy, man. Just leave me alone. If you like manual, then more power to you. I do like it as well. I just prefer to be lazy and have this car. Plus, you know, I'm mostly on the streets anyways, so I mostly use this car to like drive me from point A to point B, and we're gonna have to pull some, no, they're moving. Alright, so I drive this car to like point A to point B kind of thing, so I don't want to be doing manual all the damn time, which kind of, that's one of the things what I like about this car is that you know, I have the CVT, which right now I'm actually using just because I want to learn how to vlog and shift at the same time. And yeah, I mean, other than that, I don't know what else. Oh, also we're gonna try and get some spacers for the back and front wheels, just because they're like this much between the strut and the rim of the wheel, and I don't know which one it is on the passenger side. One of them is squeaking, which I'm pretty sure is touching the thing. Now, these wheels weren't that expensive. They were, but it's not like we paid $2,000 for it. So this is more like me learning the car, trying to fix it to, you know, not just so trying to fix it up and see where we land with the car.